Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to have an exciting trading session, and I promise it's going to be super useful, especially for those of you who are beginners in trading. So make sure to watch this video until the end. Why? Because I'll be walking you through every step I take from the initial setup to the strategies I'll be using. I'll explain everything in simple terms so you can easily understand and apply it on your own later. Trust me, this will be very beneficial for improving your trading skills. So stay tuned and follow along carefully. Without further ado, let's get started. First, let's change the trading duration to 2 minutes. You can also use a duration of 5 minutes. Next, we'll use cross signal as our analysis tool. Then, make sure that the market we choose is available. This is crucial to ensure that our strategy can be executed without any issues and that the conditions align with our trading plan. Next, select the trading duration of 2 minutes to match our planned trading time frame. This step ensures that the strategy aligns perfectly with the chosen time frame. The next step is to match the profit percentage with the market we've chosen, and this ensures that our trades align with the potential returns available in the selected market. Next, we can obtain the signals by click here. Make your trades based on the signals provided to ensure accurate and effective execution. So you don't need to wait for any additional confirmation to make a trade other than the signals from this tool. It's also important to note that this tool works seamlessly across all binary options platforms. For those of you who want to get the original version of Cross Signal without any duplicates, please check the description of this video. Make sure you get the authentic version, as each user is allowed access to only one account. All right, friends, now let's take a look at the results of today's trading session until the end.